Alright, what's going on, guys? It is Connor Branding, or Connor here today, bringing you guys a brand new video. Now today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to market yourself better as a graphic designer in 2019. Alright guys, so my first tip is going to be to build a portfolio. Now this is a very essential tip while trying to gain clients and get yourself more exposure as a designer. A portfolio is a good way for clients to view your past work, see how skillful you are as a designer, and is a good way to kind of display what you do and your personal style to your designs. Okay, so personally I would recommend building a website to put your portfolio on and to display. However, you can also use free sites such as Carbon-Made and Behance to display your portfolio as well. If you're looking for a cheaper route, I believe Carbon-Made and Behance are both free, so definitely look into those and make sure you have a portfolio when marketing to clients so you can show them your past work so they can get an idea of how skillful you are as a designer. Okay guys, my second tip on how to market yourself as a graphic designer is entering in contests. So there's many sites that do this. Freelancer has a site, I think 99 Designs does it as well. So there's a bunch of contest sites, and I'll link some in the description that you can go to and enter in sites, and there's going to be prizes. So typically logos are around $100 or a little cheaper, but they also range higher. So you're going to be entering in these contests and competing with other designers to have your design chosen as the final one, which will in the end receive the cash prize. So personally, I am not huge on entering in contests, but if you do not have a steady flow of clients, then I would recommend it, as it is a good way to bring in some extra side income from designing. Okay guys, now my third tip is going to be to cold call local businesses. This is a very essential tip. This is something that businesses have been implementing into their marketing strategies for years and years, and dates back to one of the oldest ways of marketing. So you can send out a promotional email, whether it's seasonal like Thanksgiving's coming up. You could send out a Thanksgiving promotion post saying, hey, if you're looking for designs, feel free to contact me, happy Thanksgiving, whatever, and leave your contact information on there, and find some local businesses around you that you would maybe want to work with, and just shoot them an email. Most businesses have their emails displayed either on Google or on their website as well. So this could be a good way to reach out and get some potential customers, as well as you can also go in places and have a in-hand portfolio that you can show your potential clients and the businesses locally that you want to work with, and leave them a business card or just give them their email or something along those lines for a way for them to contact you if they do need work done. Or you can also offer free work to do for local businesses. Say, hey, I'll design this logo for you for free, but after that, if you guys are interested, I would love to work with you more. However, that would be paid. Any way you can go about it, cold calling local businesses is a very effective strategy. Okay guys, now my fourth tip is going to be searching for keywords on social media, specifically on Twitter. This is a tactic that I've implemented into my marketing strategy, and it has worked very well for me, so I definitely can back it up with some proof. However, how you're going to do this is going onto Twitter, looking up certain keywords that potential customers would have in their tweets, such as looking for a logo, and then you can scroll through the replies or the tweets with those words in it, and find customers or potential customers that need work done and are looking for work, and maybe shoot them your portfolio in a quick message explaining what you could do for them. And that's a good way to talk about a project and then sell on that project and close on it as well. So I will leave some of my personal keywords that I've used in the past that have really worked for me to help you guys get a little boost on that. I think searching for keywords is a very essential strategy when marketing for clients, especially if you were a primarily online business rather than in person. It's a lot easier to meet with clients online and just send a message saying, hey, I'd really like to work with you, I'd like to hear more about the project or the logo you're trying to have designed, and whatever, and send them your portfolio just to give them an idea of the work that you do, and maybe you can close a sale. Okay guys, now my fifth and final tip is going to be to post more work. Now this goes for marketing and reaching new clients, as well as growing a social media audience and some followers that will repost your work, comment on your work, etc. So posting more work is going to get your name more out there, give people a visual idea more clearly of what you do rather than having to click on your portfolio. It's just going to pop up in their feed, which most people do scroll through their social media feeds. So like I said, this is a good way to reach fans and customers that are interested in working with you. Now you can post client work or just work for fun that you want to do for maybe your favorite YouTuber or a designer that you admire, or something like that, something along those lines, just to post more work and build up your portfolio more. Okay guys, so those are my 5 tips on marketing yourself as a graphic designer in 2019. If you guys have any questions or more questions that you would like me to do a video on, feel free to drop them down below. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to subscribe, drop a like, comment, and share this video with someone that you think would benefit from it. I really hope you guys did learn something from this video, and like I said, post some more video suggestions in the comments for me below, and I'll be sure to cover those. And thank you guys very much for watching again. This has been Connor Branding, or Connor, and I'm out. Peace.